Okay, I'm trying to get, after this latest update from Skydio, trying to get my controller working with the drone. And currently the phone says connect phone to controller. Okay. Disable your phone's Wi-Fi and connect your controller to launch. Okay. So disable the Wi-Fi. Alright, Wi-Fi is disabled. Now it says disconnected. Okay. Or connected to the controller. So now what? So the only option I have is to hit connect. So I hit connect and it says tap to connect after lights are on, solid blue. Okay, so I hit connect. Would I like to join the network? Yes. Oh, not to mention that this screen only works in portrait mode. So I hit join. Connected to your drone. Great. Oh, let's fly. So I hit done and it says connect your phone to your controller. Oh, okay. Well, my phone is connected to my controller, so what do? Well, let's unplug it and plug it back in. Okay. Connect phone to controller. Disable your phone's Wi-Fi and connect your controller to launch. Okay, well maybe let's disconnect the controller and then we'll disable the Wi-Fi just like it says. Okay, so it says disconnected. So my only option is to hit, well, let's try plugging it in now. Sorry, I'm trying to hold my GoPro while doing all this at the same time. Nothing happens. So I'm gonna hit connect. Oh, tap connect after the light goes on. Oh, okay. Well, the light's on, so I hit connect. Oh, here's that screen that only works in portrait mode. Okay, Skydio 2 wants to join Wi-Fi network. Okay, joining. Okay, I'm joining. Oh, great, connected to my drone. I'll hit done. Connect phone to controller. Oh, so this is just like an infinite loop of instructions that I keep doing over and over again. So what am I supposed to be doing? What am I doing wrong? Another one of the million irritating things about trying to get my Skydio to work.